At least 6 patients have been killed after a fire broke out in the intensive care unit of the trauma center. This is in Jaipur. Various documents, the ICU equipment, blood sample tubes and other items have also been gutted by the fire. The blaze erupted on Sunday night with smoke rapidly spreading throughout the floor and causing panic among the patients and their families. And 6 people have lost their lives. 2 women among the 6 dead. Short circuit is said to be the reason for the fire. Tejshri, this is extremely heart-wrenching. Patients who were admitted in the hospital have lost their lives due to a fire that broke out. Before I come to you, let's play out the reactions from the spot. 6 people losing their lives in the fire tragedy.
हमारा ट्रॉमा सेंटर का सेकंड फ्लोर पर 2 आईसीयू हैं, उसमें एक ट्रॉमा आईसीयू और एक सेमी आईसीयू है। उसमें हमारे करीब 24 पेशेंट थे। ट्रॉमा आईसीयू में 11, सेमी आईसीयू में 13 पेशेंट। तो ट्रॉमा आईसीयू में शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ और शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से एकदम तेजी से आग लगने से वहाँ पर टॉक्सिक गैसेज और वो सब फैलने लगी और उसमें अधिकतर क्रिटिकल पेशेंट होते हैं जो मोस्टली कोमाटोज होते हैं। तो तुरंत हम लोगों की जो यहाँ ट्रॉमा सेंटर की टीम है, हमारे जो नर्सिंग ऑफिसर्स हैं, हमारे वार्ड बॉय हैं, हमारे ट्रॉली मैन हैं, हम लोगों ने तुरंत रेस्क्यू करा उनको और जितने पेशेंट्स हम आईसीयू से बाहर ला सकते थे तुरंत लेकर आए, उनको दूसरी जगह पे शिफ्ट किया। उसमें से 6 जो पेशेंट हैं हमारे काफ़ी अधिक गंभीर थे, तो उनको बाहर काफ़ी कोशिश किया सीपीआर देके सर्वाइव करने की, पर वो बचा नहीं पाया। 5 के पेशेंट और क्रिटिकल हैं, 6 तो जो है उनको हम काफ़ी एफर्ट्स के बाद बचा नहीं पाए। उसमें से 2 महिलाएं और 4 पुरुष। टोटल 24 थे जो हमने से इवैक्यूएट किए थे, 11 ट्रॉमा आईसीयू से और 13 बगल वाले आईसीयू से।
Well, Tejshri, very heart-wrenching. 6 patients have lost their lives. 5 are said to be in a critical condition. What's the update and any details on what led to the fire?
Well, absolutely. What as far as initially we are picking up is that it was all because of short circuit, as the officials say, because of which the fire took place in the trauma center. And as the officials were mentioning, Pratibha, that 6 individuals have succumbed to injuries. They tried to save them, but of course, a fire is something which was, very intense, and that's why they had to lose their life. Number 2, 5 patients are still critical. Do not know will they be able to survive or not, because their condition is very much critical as of now. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Bhajan Lal, did visit the hospital in the morning around in between 5 to 6 a.m. and have assured all the help to the families, those who have lost their loved ones in this entire incident. But yes, this entire incident is very much tragic and traumatic because the patient have go to hospital to recover and relive their lives. But then if such kind of incidents keep happening in the hospital itself, then it's pretty much questionable. So as to what kind of permission was given to the hospital, while all the facilities were maintained properly or not, while apart from that also a proper check was done, a thorough check was done in the hospital or not. Because remember that not just only here in the hospital of Jaipur such incidents have come to light. In the previous time also we have seen that how patients, because of the negligence of the hospital administration, have to lose their life because of such kind of fires or other incidents.
Okay, all right. In fact, the Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma also arrived at the hospital to review the situation. This was after the massive fire broke out. He visited the hospital to review the situation, and the details available at this point are that the hospital staff and patient attendants immediately evacuated the patients, as many as possible, even transporting them with their beds outside the building. The firefighters arrived shortly after being alerted and brought the fire under control. So it took about 2 hours for the fire to be brought under control.
ये अभी हमारा एफएसएल टीम का जांच में सामने आएगा कि कॉज क्या है, क्या कारण रहा है आग लगने का। अभी प्रथम दृष्टया इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किट लग रहा है, लेकिन उसका फाइनल एफएसएल जांच के बाद ही बता पाएंगे। 6 लोगों के डेथ का पुष्टि हो गई है। बाकी वो दोनों आईसीयूज मिलके 24 मरीज एडमिटेड थे। बाकी लोगों को दूसरे वार्ड्स में शिफ्ट किया है, उनका वहाँ इलाज चल रहा है।
So there have been some complaints as well, with many also raising questions on whether there had been any violations from the hospital side or not. There was a short circuit. That's what preliminary investigations are suggesting that led to the fire. A lot of local residents also spoke up. Listen in.
वो तो कुछ किसी ने नहीं बताया। वो सर वो आईसीयू में आग लगा था, इसमें कोई बुझाने वाली कोई मशीन नहीं थी, कोई पानी भी नहीं, नेक भी नहीं थी, इसमें कोई सुविधा नहीं सर। कोई नहीं होती तो लगा तो बुझे महंगे महंगे आदमी डॉक्टर कंपाउंडर भी तो हो सकते हैं। एक सिलेंडर तो रखते पानी बुझाने को ऐसी हो जाते, कोई सुविधा नहीं मिली सर इसमें।
किसकी मौत हुई है?
मेरी मम्मी जी।
आपका नाम बताइए।
नरेंद्र। पर नहीं था, मैं नीचे था, मैं खाना खाने आया था। वो तो कोई किसी ने नहीं बताया। वो सर वो आईसीयू में आग लगा था, इसमें कोई बुझाने वाली कोई मशीन नहीं थी, कोई पानी भी नहीं, नेक भी नहीं थी, इसमें कोई सुविधा नहीं सर। कोई नहीं होती तो लगा तो बुझे महंगे महंगे आदमी डॉक्टर कंपाउंडर भी तो हो सकते हैं। एक सिलेंडर तो रखते पानी बुझाने को ऐसी हो जाते, कोई सुविधा नहीं मिली सर इसमें।
किसकी मौत हुई है?
मेरी मम्मी जी।
आपका नाम बताइए।
नरेंद्र। पर नहीं था, मैं नीचे था, मैं खाना खाने आया था।
So, Tejri, for the family members, many questions come forth. The Chief Minister also visited the hospital, but the questions are going to be raised on what led to the fire tragedy, whether there had been any violations, and some of the patients and their kin also speaking about how the staff was not present there, raising questions on the hospital.
Well, absolutely, questions will be raised as to whether the norms were followed or not, or was there a massive violation of all the rules as per the hospital norms, the safety norms are concerned. Because we did hear the family members of the patients who lost their lives saying that there was a chaotic situation in the hospital around 3 to 4 a.m. in the early morning, and not just that, but also the hospital staff was not present when this entire incident took place. And also, in fact, they further go on to say that that's a massive allegation, Pratibha, because they say that the fire extinguisher was also not present with them, and the facility that hospital has to provide at such a kind of emergency situation, all those facilities were not provided, and everything was managed and arranged in a hastily manner. And all these things, if actually have happened, then the preliminary investigation says that it is all because of the short circuit. But all these things will be revealed once a thorough investigation takes place, because yes, this is something which is very much concerning happening in a hospital, in a ICU where patients are still admitted.
Yes. So
the hospital administration cannot just brush up by saying that it was a short circuit.
Yes.
They'll have to give a detailed report analysis, because it is a matter of the lives of 6
So a
people.
detailed probe has also been ordered by the police officials to find out the cause of the fire accident that took place. Tejri, thank you for joining us with those details. With that